A diabetes drug has been making waves as a potential weight loss treatment. Electron beams could open up new frontiers by helping scientists probe the structures of crystals. And Eli Lilly is looking at potentially acquiring a gene therapy company for $600 million. These are the stories we'll be covering on This Week in Healthcare Tech. Hello, and welcome to This Week in Healthcare Tech, where every week we bring you the hardest hitting news from the intersection of healthcare and technology. First up, Wegovy, a drug prescribed for managing type 2 diabetes, has also been used as a weight loss aid. Wegovy is a form of semaglutide manufactured by Novo Nordisk. The drug, which is administered once a week by injection, reduces hunger by balancing out the hormones responsible for appetite and by delaying digestion. According to a study done by researchers at Northwestern University, participants who took semaglutide achieved a 15% reduction in weight, much higher than the 2.4% lost by the placebo group. With obesity on the rise in much of the developing world, Wegovy and other semaglutides could be one more potent tool in the arsenal of healthcare professionals. Next, drug manufacturers are shining a new light on the inner workings of tiny crystalline molecules with electron beams. When attempting to develop novel compounds, researchers spend a lot of time trying to understand the structure of different molecules. But there are thousands of molecules which are so small, they're very difficult to study with standard techniques like X-ray crystallography or mass spectrometry. This becomes problematic because the scientists must then make guesses about the data they're getting, which means they could spend months working on dead ends. A technique called electron diffusion could help researchers get a clearer look at the very small crystals. Because it measures how electrons interact with a crystal, it can reveal details that are missed with other approaches, which could speed up the discovery of useful new compounds. Finally, Eli Lilly, a major pharmaceutical company, is contemplating a $600 million deal to acquire Akuous. Akuous has been researching gene therapy treatments for treating deafness. The hope is that this acquisition will give Eli Lilly more scope in treating genetic diseases while also encouraging the creation of gene therapies for a wide range of conditions. That's it for this episode. Tune into This Week in Healthcare Tech next week for the latest news, and don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.